I've decided I'm going to use this for my rear camera. And the directions they tell you to put this on as one assembly, it's nuts. I'm going to put this on my way. Anybody know what this is for? So I wasn't in love with the way it looked. Just gotta wiggle it around, I guess. Awesome. All right, let's see if I can figure this out. How the hell is that supposed to capture that? I don't know. That doesn't seem plausible at all.
One eternity later.
These are not long enough, but I bet the original ones are. All right, so I wasn't in love with the way it looked, so I wanted to take it down a little bit and put another rubber washer on here. Might be unnecessary, but I just don't like this plastic housing being up against this. Do the inside one first, and the next one. I like that much better. Anybody know what this is for? This is only on this side, it wasn't on that side. I'm guessing this is for the strobe light. So I definitely recommend putting these on with the inside one first. It is a lot easier to pivot this and then mess with all the wires to make sure they all tuck back in. Definitely a tight fit in here. I think that'll do it right there. Just gotta wiggle it around, I guess. All right, those are back in. Let's put the middle plate in. All right, so this is the actual plate that goes on here. And the directions they tell you to put this on as one assembly. And that's crazy. It's nuts. I'm gonna put this on my way. Awesome. Now I'm just going to double check and make sure that the window doesn't open into it. Yep, it clears. All right, so now we're going to position the camera. Now this is largely just going to be eyeballed. Now we have to get the camera from here to here, and I think I have enough cord, so there should be no problem. I like that angle too. I'm going to go ahead and lock her down. This is a factory piece. Usually it's for a license plate. I've decided I'm going to use this for my rear camera. I've relocated it from here to here. This was actually a fine spot. It was very simple, but it was kind of like all you saw was the deflector of the snowblower because it's on this side. So I wanted to essentially locate this a little bit better, and that's what I've done here. I think it worked out really good. Might see a little more vibration here because this is all open back here to allow for this guard to come off. All right, guys, that's a wrap for this project. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.